Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. We have a very interesting tool called Cyanide here, which you can use to customize or tweak your iOS devices from iOS 26.0.1 and lower. You can check it out from its official GitHub page. You can see it right here. It is completely free. And if you scroll down, you can check out the features. We have status bar tweaks, home screen layout tweaks, we have some performance tweaks, and we have a lot of SpringBoard tweaks as well. You can also disable OTA updates. Right now it is currently work in progress, so you can expect more features to be added, like you will be able to change the signal readouts for cellular and Wi-Fi. With that, you will also get A19 Lite, which will provide you with more tweaks and customizations. Now I have tested it and I found it more reliable and stable than Lara. Now if you want to know what devices are exactly supported, so you can see that it supports from iOS 17.0 through 18.7.1 and from 26.0 through 26.0.1. A19 and M5 devices are not supported. Now this tool comes as an IPA. You can simply head to releases and from there simply get the latest IPA to your computer. Alright, as you can see, I already got the file. To install it, you can use Impactor, or you can also use sideloadly iLoader, so it's your choice. In this video, I will use Impactor to install it. You can get Impactor from the official GitHub page. It is completely free. You can simply head to releases and from there get the file for your Windows PC and install it like any other app, but simply following the steps. Make sure iTunes is installed before you use Impactor, as without it your device will not be detected. You can get iTunes from the official Apple's website. You can get it from here and then install it. Now at this point, simply connect your device via USB and then fire up Impactor. The device we're using for this video is an iPhone 12 running iOS 26.0.1. As you can see the version on device. Before you use Impactor to install the tool, make sure that you hit this gear icon. Simply type in your Apple ID by hitting add account. Any Apple ID will work. Then hit back. Then hit import IPA button. From there select the Cyanide's IPA. Then hit open and then hit install and wait for the installation to finish. Once complete, you will see it on your home screen and you will see finished on Impactor. Rest of the process will follow on device, so we will close Impactor now. Alright guys, now we are on device and we have the tool right here on our device. Before you can open it, go to settings, go to general, and then go to device management and trust the app from here. Once it is trusted, go back one step and then go to privacy and security, and from there scroll down and enable developer mode. It will be off. Simply turn it on. Your device will restart once and you will be good to go. Now you can open the app. Alright, now hit allow. You can see, talking about the interface, it is very friendly. It is very easy to use. We have the StatBar, we have the SP customizer, we have power cuff so that you can slow down the CPU and GPU to control the heat. You can also disable OTA updates from here. You can also override watch pairing so that you can pair newer watchOS on older iOS devices with older versions of iOS. You can also disable app library, disable icon, fly in. You can also enable double tap to lock and so on. You will see these two with an update to this tool. Right now they are a bit buggy. Now to test it, I will go with first StatBar. From there, simply hit customize StatBar. You can enable Celsius. You can also hide network speed if you want, otherwise it will be shown. Now hit back and then hit install. Leave the one change in queue, then simply go back. We will now go with SpringBoard customizer. Now from there simply hit customize and then from there you can customize the dock icons. So I will go with 6. I will also enable hide icon labels so that we can test it. We will go back and then hit install. Now we have two changes. We will go back again now, and from these we will try to disable the app library. We will simply hit install. Now we have 3 items here which are now in queue. Hit confirm 3 changes and wait for the process to finish. Make sure you stay on this screen until the process is finished. Alright, you can see it says done, all tweaks applied in session. Now you can hit done, go back, and you can see we have this stat bar with the temperature, RAM usage, and network speeds, upload and download. You can see that once we swipe, the icon labels are now gone. You have this dock here with 6 icons. All right, so it works fine without issues. It looks good. All right, now if you want to return back to stock, you will open Cyanide again, go back again. From there you will see settings. Now from there simply hit reset all packages, then hit reset, then hit cleanup, and wait for the cleanup to complete. All right, it is now done. You can see the stat bar is now gone. Everything is now reset. Now to fix up the dock and the icon labels, we will simply restart the device. Also, I noticed that when you restart the device after using the tool, it takes a very long time. It will seem that it is stuck, but eventually after 1 minute or so your device will completely turn off, so you will have to wait for it. Or if you turn it on right now in the middle, it won't work. So give it about 1 minute to completely turn off first. Or if your device is connected to a computer, once it turns off successfully, you will hear a ding so that you can know that the device is now off. Now let's try it to turn it on. All right, the device is now on. You can see everything is now reset. Everything is working fine. The dock, the icon labels, everything. It is now completely back to stock. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.